What's up, fam? Hey, it's OT coming at you again with another edition of the Grilling Oasis. Today we're gonna do a couple of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. What I did was I marinated them, some coconut oil and a couple other things in there. We're gonna put it on some apple wood, a little charcoal in that little apple wood. See the apple wood got going on, so we're gonna throw them thighs on there, season with our 4 favorite seasonings, and you know what they are. And then we're gonna watch them grill for a minute. All right, so see you in a second. So I put them on there, and I close up the grill to get that smoke on them. Now I'm gonna season them, close it up, then flip them, season the other side, and she'll be ready to rock. So I got my seasoning on there. You see, we use our 4 favorite seasonings. Check the blog for that. You can see that apple wood kind of licking it up a little bit. So we're going to cover it up, let it cook for about a minute. Then we're going to flip and season the other side. So we just flipped them over. See that smoke hitting it real good. So we're going to season this, cover it up. Should be ready to cook. So we got them seasoned up on both sides now. She ready to rock and roll, so we're just gonna cover it up, let that smoke hit it, and should be good to go. All right, see you in a minute, fam. So we can see the smoke coming out of there. That wood produces a very nice smoke. We use apple wood, so notice what the smoke looks like when we open it up. Yeah, nice, pretty brown. We're just gonna flip the meat over. And then we're gonna let it continue to cook. All right, fam. I'll let it cook a little more. All right, fam. We're back out here. We're gonna check the internal temp. And I just use my little gauge here. That's just a grill temperature gauge. We want the temperature to be 165. We're gonna see what it looks like. That's 167. 150. That's 160. 160. That's that right there done. Pull it over. That one more time, 174, 189, that one done. And this one here need to cook just a little bit more. Then we're gonna be able to get them all off. All right, fam, we got them. That's what she looks like. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. All right, we're gonna eat this. Gonna taste pretty good. All right, see you next time on Grilling Oasis.